moving ahead further, so what we'll do is that we'll basically study negative slicing and negative dicing. All right, we'll study negative slicing and dicing. All right, so this is what it is. So negative slicing is what negative. So we saw what we saw basically how to basically uh, extract out values of list in the form of negative indexing. So the negative indexing, the counting of negative indexing begins from what? Begins from -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc., etc., as we saw. So as we can see, a -1, we can see 25, a -10, we saw 5. So this is what it is. All right. Next, what we'll do is that let's take up another element. Let's take up 7. A minus 7 is equal to 4. As you can see, a minus 7 is equal to 4. So 4 is at what? 4 is at the minus 7th position. So if we count from -1, that is 25, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So this is what it is. So it will do what? It will basically uh, give us the negative indexing elements. So this is what it is. All right, if we write over here as -1, there is no zeroth position. There is no zeroth position, so this is what it is. A of -10 is equal to 5. All right. Next, what we'll do is that next we'll take a look at negative slicing and dicing. So positive slicing and dicing was what? Positive slicing and dicing was this 2 slash basically slice 8, slice 2, like this. So how we did that? Let us revise it once again. All right. A 2 slice 8 in square brackets. Let us do what? Let us run this. So as we can see, so A is what? A is basically this till from 5 till 25. All right. This is what? This is 0. A of 5 is what? A of 5 is 0. A of 1 is at the second. Basically, A of the second element is what? The 2th. The first element is what? At 2. 2 is the element at 1th position. Then there is your 2th is your 7th. So it will start from what? It will start from 7. It will start from 7 element. All right. Why? Because 7 is at what? 7 is at second position. If we extract it out, A of 2, then it will be what? It will be at 7. All right. Then 8. Now what it will do is that it will exclude the 8th element. It will exclude the 8th element. Whatever is on the right side of the colon, it will do what? It will exclude that. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So this is what it is. Whatever element we enter at the right side of the colon, let's say we enter 7, so it will do what? It will exclude the 7th element. If we include 8, it will exclude the 8th element and print what? It print till 15, the 7th element. So this is what it is. All right. So next what we'll do is that next we'll basically study about negative slicing first. All right. Let us study about negative slicing. All right. A in square brackets. All right. So we'll take up what? We'll take up negative slicing. So we want to do what? We want to extract these elements only. Let us do what? Let us extract these elements only, like 7, 4, 1, 8, 11, 15. Right, extract only these elements. We did it with what? We already extracted it with the help of positive slicing. All right, now we'll extract it with what? We'll extract it with negative slice. All right, so 7, what will be its negative indexing? What will be the negative indexing of 7? Let us have a look. So 7's negative indexing will be 8. A of -8. As you can see, 7. A of 2 was 7 in positive indexing. A of -8 is 7 in negative indexing. All right. So definitely it will be what? It will be -8 colon. All right. Now we want to print it till what? We want to print it till 15. All right. We want to print it till 15. All right. So 15's negative indexing is what? Positive indexing was A of 7. Negative indexing will be what? A of minus 3. So this is what it is, 15. Right? A of minus 3. So again, the rule is the same in positive indexing and in negative indexing as well. Whatever is on the right side of the colon, alright, please mark my words very carefully. Whatever is on the right side of the colon will be what? Will be excluded. So if I write minus 3 over here, so as you can see, 15 has been excluded. If I write minus 2 over here, it will exclude the minus 2. It will include the minus 3. So it will do what? It will basically. Alright, so this is what it is. So this is what it is. Minus 8, minus 2, 2, and 8. This is how we do the negative slicing. Alright. What? Let us solve. What? 8, 11, 15. Let us extract 8, 11, 15, 17. Alright. Alright. So what we'll do is that we'll basically extract. Alright, great. Now we are solving it. Great, very good. Alright. So 8 is at what position? 8 is at minus 5 position. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So we'll do what? We'll write minus 5 over here. Alright. We'll write minus 5 over here. Then I said till 17. So if we write minus 2 over here, what will happen? It will exclude 17. So if we write minus 1 over here, it will do what? It will basically include 17 and exclude 25. So this is what it is. We can also do positive dicing over here. So it will do what? It will skip the number that is beside 1, 2. It will print this 15, skip 17. So this is what it is. Alright. Let us do what? Let us write it in the next cell and let us. So this is what it is. Alright. So now what we want to do is that using negative slicing and positive dicing, we want to print. Alright, so now let us do what? Let us look at reverse printing using using positive slicing and negative dicing. Alright, let us suppose we want to do what? We want to print the list A in reverse. So we used what? We used the dot reverse function. Alright, we use the dot reverse function. Alright, so this is what it is. Alright, we use the dot reverse function. What if we basically write excuse me, what if we write blank over here, left blank, and leave the right blank as well, and we leave everything blank? So what it will do is that it will print the entire list, that is A. All right, just like it is printing just by typing A over here. All right, if I write everything blank, like say left colon and the right colon, and the dicing part I write -1. In the dicing part I write -1 and press shift plus enter. So it will do what? It will print the entire list in reverse. So it will do what? It will print the entire list in reverse. So this is what how we reverse print using negative dicing. So negative dicing is always used to print in reverse. Alright, so for example, if you want to basically, let's say, if we want to, let's say, print it in reverse and basically print only the evenly placed elements. Alright, or yeah, evenly placed elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We want to print 25, 15, 8, 4, 2. So what it will be, just write -2 over here and it will print 25, 15, 8, 4, 2. Evenly indexed elements, alright. So this is what it is. So this is what it is, alright. If we want to print, let's say, positively indexed elements, so what we'll do is that we'll write over here as 1. And if we write over here -2, if we write over here -2, let us see what will happen. It is showing me only 2. It is showing me only two. Why is it showing me only two? Only two of the answer, because just it is giving me what? It is giving me just an arbitrary answer. All right. If I write over here, let's say 1 till 9 minus 2, it will show me an empty list. It will show me an empty list. Why? Because if you want to print it in reverse, all right, if you want to print it in reverse, you need to mention some elements also. Here, what advantage we had? We do, if we do not mention any elements, it by default takes the last value and the first value and the last value, irrespective of its indexes or where the indexes are placed. All right. But if we are mentioning, let's say we are mentioning some number, let's say we want to re- print again this list and print it in reverse. So how will we do that? So let us have a look at it. So we'll just it's very easy, we'll just reverse the pattern. Sorry, it is very easy, we'll just reverse the pattern. This is what is 7 till 15. Now we want to print reverse 15, 11, 8. Now if I write over here is -1, so it will again give me what? It will again give me an empty list. Alright. So what I'll do is over here is I'll basically, if I want to print, let me just print. If I want to print this in reverse, so what we'll do is that very simple. I'll take up 15 first. I'll take up 15 first. Now 15 is where? 15 is at the 7th position. Remember, whatever is on the left side of the colon, whatever is on the left side of the colon will be included. Whatever is on the right side will be excluded. Alright. So 7 is at what? 7 is at second position. So if I write second over here, 7 will get included. So I need to write what? 1. I need to just reverse the pattern and another colon and write -1 over. So it will do what? It will basically print this particular a sample of a list, all right, in reverse. If I would have written 2 over here, it would have excluded 7. I've written 1 over here, so that means what? That means the list has been reversed.